Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix translate full page not working in DeepL. So actually guys, to fix the issue you will need us first to refresh and retry. How so? You will need just to go open a new tab, close the previous one, look for DeepL, okay, and just go with that website or the site, and here you will need to go and click right here, and then just go with translate full page again, okay, and make sure the page has fully loaded. So sometimes DeepL can't start translation or a partially loaded page, okay. So we are talking about the pages that you can do on the translate files on the left hand, okay. So right here where you can translate the documents, the PDFs, the words, the PowerPoints, and the pages, okay. So if that quick refresh doesn't work, you will need to check your internet afterward, okay. So just go ahead and run a speed test by fast.com powered by Netflix, for example. Check your debit, your internet right there, the megabytes per second, and also you can switch it if it's too low, okay. And also guys, I really advise you to disable the conflicting extensions. So the extensions like ad block, uBlock, privacy blockers, script blockers that can block full page translation, okay. So just disable them temporarily and retry translating the page and re-enable one by one to find the culprits, okay. So to that, just go with the three dots that's at the top right of the browser, go with the settings, second last option, go with the extensions, the option that you can find left hand menu, it's the second last one, and then just go and disable all the extensions and retry, okay. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.